Now children, see left side, you can see geographical explanation. First point, the western part of Satara district is occupied by Sahyadris. So already we discussed in previous slide, and it is offshoots and elevation is higher, that means mountain. Its topography is undulting, that means it is mountainous region, terrains. In this region lies the extensive Shivsagar reservoir or the Koyna dam. So it is also very difficult because reservoir is there, a dam is also established, so transportation system is very difficult to develop there. The central and the eastern part of the district are comparatively of lower and medium elevations. So already I told you that is having less mountain region, that is plain compared to western part. So it is very feasible to develop transport and communication there. Considering the physiography of the Satara district, the transport network is sparse in the west, whereas dense in the eastern side. Understood? Now see children, see the right side. Two important concept is given which will be there in your examination. That is green corridor and roll-on and row of transport. Row transport and green corridor. See children, green corridor is very important, which can be worked out with the help of good transportation system only. And the row transport, it is very much helpful in the places where the transportation is done with the ships. Understood? To go from one place to another place. Now first we will see about green corridor. See children, it happens that sometimes a dead person has donated his organs. In such cases, such organs need to be transported from donor's location to the receivers urgently. For this organ transfer, all types of routes are cleared of all obstacles. This is called green corridor. Consequently, rapid transport of the organ can save the receiver's life. See children, we know that organ transplant is very much common nowadays, and it is also a remarkable contribution of science and technology, medical science and technology, to save one's life. So green corridor, the concept is regarding the organ transplant. I think one film was there regarding this green corridor. If a person is in need of, we can say for example, kidney transplant. If a person is having kidney transplant, and a particular place, a person is donating his kidney, and he is residing in a faraway place. So then, how it is possible? With the help of faster means of transport. Understood? Because organs, they are having shelf life very short. It need to be transplanted very quickly. So green corridor, that means good transportation system is to be developed for the organ transplant. So this concept we have to read again and again. This is very important. Explain the concept में आ सकता है, तो आपको ये learn करना है. Next, road transport. Transportation can be done from one station to another station using railways. Freight transport is carrying out on a large scale on national highways. The freight transport by trucks is costlier than railways. As a solution or via media, the Ro-Ro transport system has started being used in India. In this system, the trucks loaded with goods are transported to desired station through goods train. From there, the truck takes the goods ahead to desired location. As railways are used for the part of distance, cost of transport is reduced. Thus, cost of fuel and pollution caused by trucks can be reduced. The use of Ro-Ro services started in Konkan Railway for the first time in India. See children, Ro-Ro transport system means to carry heavy goods from one place to another place. You have witnessed that so many trucks, they are carrying two-wheeler, four-wheeler. The in the showrooms, various showrooms, we know that how it is possible with the help of Ro-Ro transport. That means railways are also used. to carry heavy goods. So this type of transport system is developed in various parts of our country, and especially it was developed in Konkan Railway by Konkan Railway to carry goods from one place to carry especially heavy goods from one place to another place. Understood? So Ro-Ro transport and green corridor, these two concepts are to be learned meticulously because this will be there in your annual examination. So Ro-Ro transport concept, that means, see children, another example I can give you. If we'll go to Goa, if we'll go to Mumbai, you can see that ships are also carrying two-wheeler, and so many people, they are carrying their two-wheeler along with them, and they are working a particular place and coming with the help of ships and carrying along with their two-wheeler. So this type of Ro-Ro transport to carry heavy goods from another to one place to another place. Understood? So Ro-Ro transport mean one place to another place, one place to another place. Understood? So Ro-Ro transport system is developed in our country to carry heavy goods.